Hi, it's Lauren, and this is my study guide on Quizlet about in-task standard number 2. Here are my flashcards that I made, and it's a really efficient way to study. You just go through, and if you want to see the answer on the back, then you just click it. You can go through them really easily. It's a great way to study. You can play games, you can test, spell. Here's an example, you just test. You can go through, so it's a great way to do that. You can also search for other Quizlets, share Quizlets with other people, and work together on them as well. So it's a great way to study and learn material and whatnot. So that is Quizlet over in-task standard number 2, learning differences. Thank you.